During any kind of renovation, whether it's drywall, sanding, or flooring, a ton of dust gets released into the air. And guess where all of that ends up? Yep, your furnace and AC system. That filter's job is to catch dust before it reaches your blower or coils. But if it clogs up, your system can overheat, freeze up, or even shut down. In my case, I replaced the filter right after the renovation, and this is what it looked like. Disgusting, right? This clogged filter was choking the airflow, and trust me, your system can't breathe through this mess. After any construction project, replace your filter immediately, even if you just changed it. And if you're not renovating, try to swap it every 1 to 3 months, depending on the usage and pets. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy home fixes, and drop a comment if you have ever had AC issues after remodeling. Replacing the filter is super easy. Just locate your furnace, usually in basement, utility closet, or garage, sliding the old filter out. Check the size on the side and grab a new one. Slide it in with the arrow pointing towards the furnace, and there you go. Done. It takes 2 minutes and could save you hundreds in repair bills.